Hello everyone, welcome to Tutorials in Hand. In this video we are going to see how to write a program in Python to print a square root of a user entered number. So let's quickly move to VS Code in order to start writing the program. So first of all, let's create a new file by clicking onto this icon and let the file name be simply code.py. And now in Python we know that if we want to use mathematical functions which are already present, then we have to import math library. And we know that there are many useful functions or methods provided in that math library. Like we have logarithmic functions, as well as we have sqrt or square root function. So basically we will be using square root in this program. So we have to import what? We have to import math library. So the way we will do it is simply writing math. We will simply write import math. Okay, now we need to have a variable which will be the number. So let's have num, and we'll ask the user to provide us with the number. So we'll write enter the number. Now we know that this particular function is going to return us a string. So we will be casting it actually. So we will be casting it to integer type, and the way we'll do it is like this, int. So this line will give us the number entered by the user in integer format. Now what we have to do, now we have to find the square root, and the way we will do it is by using sqrt method provided in math library. Like we will write math.sqrt, and within this parenthesis whatever number we will give, that square root will be coming out. So over here we need to find the square root of what? We need to find out the square root of num. So we will simply write num. Now we can simply print it, but let's have a variable under which the result would be there, and let the variable name be simply res, that is result. So in this res we are having the square root of num. Now let's print it and see if it works. So we'll write print the square root of number is. So we'll give the variable name, that is res. Okay, so this is all about the program. Now let's run the program and see if it works. So let's give python and the file name.py, and see it's asking me to enter a number. Let the number be 4. So the expected out is 2.0 because it would give us a floating type. So, and boom, here you can see that it's giving me 2.0. Let's work with another input. Let it be simply 16, so it would be 4.0 again, and boom, here you can see that it's 4.0. So just a quick recap, the way how we find the square root is we'll simply import the math library, and then with the help of math.sqrt we will find the square root, and we can use it into our programs. So this was all about the video. I hope you understood the things clearly, but still if you have any doubt, then feel free to drop that down in the comment section. Thank you.